Ladies and gentlemen, gather around as I take you on a journey into one of the most enigmatic and spine-chilling tales of the 20th century. Imagine, if you will, a world at war, where nations are desperate to gain the upper hand through any means necessary, even if it means venturing into the realms of the unknown. This is the story of the Philadelphia experiment. In the midst of World War II, the United States Navy embarked on an audacious and highly secretive project known as the Philadelphia Experiment. On October 28, 1943, at the Philadelphia Naval Shipyard, the destroyer escort USS Eldridge was said to have undergone a series of bizarre and inexplicable events that would forever embed it in the annals of conspiracy lore. The experiment purportedly aimed to render the ship invisible to radar, cloaking it from enemy detection. This involved using powerful electromagnetic fields, a theory that had been proposed by the renowned physicist Albert Einstein in his unified field theory. Although Einstein himself was not directly involved, his theoretical work laid the groundwork for the Navy's experiments. As the story goes, the scientists conducted a series of tests involving these electromagnetic fields. On that fateful day, when the experiment commenced, witnesses claimed the ship was surrounded by a strange greenish-blue glow. The air crackled with electricity, and the USS Eldridge began to shimmer and then, astonishingly, vanished entirely from sight. For a few harrowing moments, the USS Eldridge was gone. Reports suggest that it reappeared over 200 miles away in Norfolk, Virginia, before vanishing once again and returning to Philadelphia. The bewildered crew on nearby ships could hardly believe their eyes. Upon its return, the ship was said to be in a horrifying state. Crew members were reported to have suffered severe side effects. Some were found fused to the metal hull of the ship, while others experienced severe psychological trauma. Witnesses described seeing men appearing and disappearing, with some accounts alleging that a few crew members were never seen again. The story of the Philadelphia experiment doesn't end with the events of October 28th. In the years that followed, numerous theories and speculations have emerged, each adding a new layer of intrigue to the mystery. Some suggest that the experiment was a test of teleportation technology, intended to transport the ship instantaneously from one location to another. Others believe it was an early exploration into time travel, with the USS Eldridge briefly slipping into another dimension or time period. One of the most compelling aspects of the Philadelphia experiment is the testimony of those who claim to have witnessed it. In the 1950s, a man named Carlos Miguel Allende, also known as Carl Allen, came forward with a series of letters detailing his experiences aboard a nearby merchant ship. Allende's letters, sent to UFO researcher Morris K. Jessup, described the Eldridge's disappearance and the horrific aftermath for its crew. These letters, filled with technical jargon and eerie descriptions, became the foundation for much of the public's knowledge of the experiment. Allende's accounts were met with skepticism, but they also sparked a wave of interest and investigation. Jessup's book, The Case for the UFO, included some of these letters, and soon the story of the Philadelphia experiment captured the imagination of the public. Over the years, other alleged witnesses and former crew members have come forward with their own versions of events, each adding to the mythos surrounding the experiment. The Navy, for its part, has consistently denied the occurrence of any such experiment, attributing the stories to a combination of urban legend and misinterpretation of routine wartime activities. Official records do not support the existence of such an event, leading many to believe the Philadelphia experiment is purely fictional. However, the Navy's denials have done little to quell the persistent rumors and speculations. Yet the story endures, fueled by the eerie and inexplicable nature of the accounts. Whether based on a real incident obscured by secrecy or entirely the product of imaginative minds, the Philadelphia experiment remains one of the most captivating and mysterious tales of the 20th century. It continues to intrigue and bewilder to this day, a testament to the human fascination with the unknown. In conclusion, the Philadelphia experiment serves as a reminder of the thin line between science fiction and science fact. It challenges our understanding of reality and invites us to question the limits of human knowledge. So, as you ponder this tale, remember that the truth is often stranger than fiction, and the mysteries of the past may hold secrets that we have yet to uncover.